welcome to the late night show. Welcome. Because if you leave us like this now, now groove, we all kind of enter clubbing mode, you understand? So, but more just take and down, you know, easy P, mono to rush. All right, now welcome, ladies and gentlemen. As usual, my name is Ogballs, baby, you know. Thank you. And I welcome, and we're not here every, okay? Every day, 10 p.m. on top of your favorite TV station, you understand me now? And on the ones and the twos, DJ Easy.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible.
The most wanted DJ.
DJ Easy Beats.
Okay. All right. You see, they just add the cough, join the swag now. Now, not swag, you understand? Anything if you add to swag these days, you get ice prince go take add cough joining song, the whole Nigeria go the cough. If Olamide now just sneeze for one of his songs, you understand? People go do for the whole area. So anything can be turned to swag. So you create your own personal swag, you don't know how it take be. You understand? Now from one place, now Shokite come out, Shakiti Bobo come out from something. You self create your own thing. You understand? No, they copy everybody every time. You can be an inventor of your own thing. You understand me now? No shaking. Easy be don't drop your own just now. You can go and drop your own too. All right? Nothing too small for you to come and create. So ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we go start the show like this now. No go anywhere. We dey come back, no, because some kind of sweet stories there for us to do for Cocoa of the Day. All right? So no go anywhere. The show don't start. I say, the show don't start. And the person you all hear music craze. Just for the all tear clock, poor enter road. Anything fit happen. All this witchcraft there. If what it be them, Terry G fit cut rope. Who are you? Terry G, they say for a battle. They go perform one day, they DJ all high for backstage. Don't drink. When they call Terry G, he just run past stage. Enter Espresso. They run the phone. Say Terry G.
For real?
For real now for a battle. Say by the time you come back to the stage, call use leg, call the knock leg for stage. Free me now. I say bust stage, yo. Boom, he leg open the stage. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you get how to take green just now. You come from greenness on top screen just now. Color things. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Cocoa of the Day.
Make a tell them the cocoa. 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 If I tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa. If I tell them the cocoa. When you see how we like, just use the magic card.
Coco number one. Big bag. Bing. Okay. Just yesterday, we talk about naming your things. You understand? Arnold. Schwarzenegger. We can't get one guy who can't come to the show yesterday. We can't say, okay, Bro Sapphire, what you name your own? You can't name your own. Van Damme. You understand? We say, men, when they watch this show, learn to they give your junction box name. You understand? If you're not here yesterday, just repeat them again. Give your own a name that, fits your own style. You get? If na Fido Dido, they say you are a Fido Dido. You understand? If na spaghetti, you are spaghetti. You get now? So you don't choose anyone. Him na Arnold. Me na Schwarzenegger. Our guy yesterday na Van Damme. You can be Chuck Norris. You can be Jim Ike. If you be Ramsey Noah. Just name and one name, you understand? I'm Bab, I'm the kind punk. If you be Derele, don't be joke. If you be Derele, you understand? So choose the name given to your kind of, things for a downward area. But now, for this one I get for hand here, 25 years old guy. Now, but this one happen. I don't know if it happen for Nigeria. This guy, you say, make go block this babe on a new EP. Make you just go follow the girl yarn. Say, okay, as it be like this now, baby, I just want, on a down low, make yourself for just yarn, more we relate, and make for collabo, more you're there all right, as boyfriend and girlfriend. As he block the babe, now the girl change up for her. The girl say, oh, please, please, I don't roll like this. And the girl change up for the guy. Based on, say, the guy come to feel low as guy, say, man, I don't gawk. I don't mess up. Oh, man. Now the guy enter house. Now he look in thing. He hold on like this. He say, you are useless to me. You are useless to me. Since which of us, the raw parole for this whole world, they bought me. For the past 25 years, you never do anything. Wait till they worry you. They swear give you. You just don't that place, they occupy space. Every time you rise up, they come down, they rise up, you're nothing. Nothing. You cannot show forth anything. What's wrong with you? That guy carry knife. He cut his own thing. He rendered himself. Hey. He just come out to the main actor for the film. What is wrong with you people for this one? As he cut and finish, only he calls his own hand, run, come out from house, they shout, hey, see blood, see blood. Now they carry and go hospital. By the time they reach hospital, now the doctor say, this one don't pass our power. I'm going to carry and go another hospital. By the time they don't reach that hospital, they can say, okay, we go try Swan back, but if he know they work like he did work before.
He know they
work. Sorry, he know they work any work. It just the rise and fall, sometimes it means that the fire is over. But very, very stupid act. As far as I'm concerned, let me be the judge upon this particular one. Say things no can happen. One thing. One person must somehow help you out. No, see that just will talk the other time.
That lady.
That lady will go help the boy. People they will help you. What's wrong with you? Just put it on Facebook. People they will help you. If every other person they can help. You understand? We don't say this country you day. In Nigeria now we're here. We don't say okay some things are not legalized. But for that part of the world where una day, it can work out. How I like this country. You get me now? Even now for area, if you just go tell Silifas, I beg help me. You wait till be like, don't be saying anything. Silifas, just tell you just give us some kind of things fit happen. So please, no, you go to cut time. Oh yeah, replace them now.
And who call they bear the pain?
Now you can see that you go see bear the pain last. I mean, it just be like people they would make I know you go talk Christian side because now that gist entirely. All right, but please, any young man waiting for that place, get there, you know. My brother, try again. There are many fishes in the river. What's wrong with you? If one not agree, other fish go. Before you try 400. Before you try 400, you don't try 400. You know what Solomon do?
So why did they give up?
Why are you giving up? What have you tried? You've not tried anything. You say one person do anyhow, you can't go to say you want they come out your John Thomas. What's wrong with you? Who go do that in John Thomas? Why? What's your pick up say John Thomas?
that name don't go viral.
Everywhere JT John Thomas.
I watch one foreign movie, they call him John Thomas.
Now, not be just Nigeria, that everywhere. John Thomas. So if you legally call your own something, see why they talk of names. You get me now? So any which way, Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the coco.
I can't stammer. Mark Zuckerberg. All of now we know Mark. This one I be the bros way invents Facebook. I'm the big guy we decide to say, okay, this Facebook will make her come bring him into B. And last time the guy decided because him and him baby, in chick, as a born Peking, he said, okay, go give out one kind of large sum of money for people there outside there we go need the money to better their own life. Better thing with the guy they carry they do since young guy, very young guy. So now. One other male for Facebook, when they Facebook, can't send message because say this Mark na nerd in be when in day for school. Now nerd that those people that we know the group, they don't get social life.
They read.
They all they wear glasses, they read book. Now, so now that kind of person in be. So the woman content and say, come write for Facebook, send message, go give Mark. Say, I've told all my grandchildren to make sure that they are dating nerds in their school. So Mark Zuckerberg now can't respond to the woman, can't say, madam. See, as a matter to be like this, no go they program your children to come go they find person where will be nerd. Make them themselves turn to nerd now. So that the whole thing will take. Make I read them as it be for screen now, make I read them out. So now the one with the woman sent me this. I keep telling my granddaughters to date the nerd in school. He may turn out to be a Mark Zuckerberg. Thanks for Facebook. I've reconnected with family and many old friends and classmates. So Mark can't respond now. Even better would be encouraged even better would be to encourage them to be the nerd in their school so they can be the next successful inventor. You understand now? So meaning say, no, you're going to find, we tell women this in the way. Not going to find man where.
Like already made?
They can like ready-made where. Not going to find ready-made. Make you be the ready-made. Make you be the ready-made. The one where we say, okay, fine, no. If anything, like Mark talks now, they say this thing, they say for Facebook, they say the likes where this thing don't get. Say people just like the fact, say he answer well. Say the answer just enter, boom. You get? No go to find the nerd for the school. Make you turn out to be the nerd because you, as the woman, be the next inventor. Therefore, make you the event. Must you go outside, you go to find already made man.
You want date?
Can they date already made man? What they make you be the ready made woman. You say blow.
Blue.
Now they forbid me you say blow the blow. You understand? Blow. When they put the light, they put bomb for you, but the blow just blow somehow. You get me now? So you say a blow woman jam a blow man. You people are explosion.
Blow is in a explosion.
Explosion everywhere, everywhere. Pwa pwa. Now they rain. But if you go to find already made man, you say can't turn to say you become property.
And you forget to do it, they find already made now, so other people find out.
Life now. Life. Men not sharp these days. They don't look say want to. Men, they know the one who just come, so you want just come the. All right. So any which way, but a good response from Mark and the correct one. Ladies outside there, go outside there. You feel make them happen. No, they find man we don't already. You know, you feel make them happen. Okay. So cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right. K. Will lay. Okay, this message where I get for now, this the particular gist, you know why they talk like this now? Because they consign that side. The Fulani people, they hardly, you know, get anybody way. Then they will, but you could hardly spot them out. People then way be Fulani people. We don't go outside there. We gonna go make things happen. Most time they are known as herdsmen. They always deal with cows. They into farming. Into now you see them they hunt and that kind of thing they do. So one of their smallie now, Kuku go university. As you go university, come graduate. As the guy come back to village, say, see me. Now they carry and put for shoulder. If you see celebration, mostly the picture, they put them for up. See how they carry them for shoulder. Say, K, we late. No be late night show. Say, K, we late. They carry the boy come back. They come to celebrate him. They celebrate him for the whole village. They say, they carry around. Their pikin don't go university, come back. He don't go learn book. No be just cow, sheep, milk, farm, hunting. They do this thing. Not be only bright and sheep. They're different things. You understand? Say this one that don't go school, go read book, come back. So they can't ask the chief for their village. They say, why you do this thing? It's not to encourage all the young ones waiting for that village. See, they feel go do harm. They feel go outside, they go achieve things. Come back with good reports and good results. Say like this, their pikin now, don't go, don't come back, don't conquer. So that they're happy now. And they imagine all those chicks now, where maybe this guy, maybe he named Nasiru. Imagine all those chicks that when Nasiru go don't scope before now, when not come grief for her. Now they can't carry Nasiru, they go around for village, just sit down, thought that they only girl say, look at me now. Look at me. Start from the bar.
We here, man.
Now we're here. You understand? So never give up on any man, any woman who did that. There's always prospects, okay? But a nice thing, I like what the chief do to encourage all the young people they waiting for the village. So if you go outside there, go achieve things, all right? Most of our elderly people, they also they try, you know, to celebrate the little things where you feel say be little thing.
Yeah.
Not be only your children go school, come back. Say they finish primary school. Thank God. Say they finish secondary school. Thank God. This country, you get out there, they do something sometimes when they celebrate, so they celebrate.
Yes.
Until maybe na birthday or maybe New Year or Christmas.
Before they want to
celebrate.
Or burial.
When they celebrate burial. You understand? And burial don't go be your kids.
Yeah.
Celebrate your children. Celebrate them. You know, make people that they see the content. So, if this person picking feel be like this, my own picking feel be like that. You understand? Not be anywhere picking just do anyhow. You know, they slap in ear. But if you try, they test the slap. Because let's do the right thing, all right? So, ladies and gentlemen, now for you, come on, to talk the cocoa of the day. Anybody will get extra G's with one follow us talk, just go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, knock your G's, and all of us go relate on top the level, all right? So, no go anywhere with the comeback now. if you know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.